The overall goal of this study is to evaluate the effect of lipid-lowering drugs in modulating morphological features of cholesterol particles using a plaque array method, and to identify potential biomarkers for diagnosis of atherosclerosis and determining drug effects.
The role of lipid-lowering drugs in modulating cholesterol particle formation is poorly understood. Here, we demonstrate that lipid-lowering drugs play a direct role in altering profiles and morphological features of cholesterol particle formation.
The main advantage of the plaque array-based in vitro imaging method over other particle detection methods is that it enables visualization of cholesterol particles for evaluating the effect of lipid-lowering drugs in serum.
Jason Lundry, laboratory technician from Plaxgen, will demonstrate how we set up the plaque array assay using a chemistry analyzer. Raymond, senior scientist at Millipore Sigma, will demonstrate how we do the sample processing using imaging flow cytometry. Finally, David Liu, laboratory technician from Plaxgen, will demonstrate data analysis for cholesterol particle images.
Use a Chemistry Analyzer 1 to set up the plaque array assay for cholesterol particle formation. Throughout the assay, maintain the final reaction volume in each well at 200 microliters and perform all assays in triplicate. First, load 194.5 microliters of phosphate-buffered saline, or PBS, to each well of a round-bottom, low-protein binding 96-well plate. To each well, add 2.5 microliters of each lipid-lowering drug solution. No drug is added to the